Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 360 of me trying to cure brain rot. Today, I have a special announcement and a new application to share, and well, let's get right into it. First things first, the app I've been building for the last year is called Curiosity Quench, and the whole point of this app right here in front of you is to help people find better things to do on their phones and not block or limit any apps. So if you don't know what that is, you can check it out. I basically made every other video in this 360 days about this app. Now, Curiosity Quench is doing really good right now. I've been marketing it a lot, and it's had the best month it's had ever this month already, and we're only 10 days in to October. We're approaching a year anniversary. Anyways, you don't care, blah, blah, blah. How do you scroll less on your phone? And I figured out that there's a few ways to this, and there's a few different problems that we have as humans when it comes to scrolling on our phones and being addicted mostly to social media. Thing is, I use social media every day to promote my app that is to get people off of social media, which is the one you're seeing right here. And I realized that every time I go on this app or the apps that are around, I have to post content, and that content I get sucked in. I end up on Instagram or Twitter or whatever else, and I can get sucked in pretty frequently, which is not that ideal. So I built myself a solution, a place I can use to upload all my content without having to go on the platforms themselves. So I avoid that that tunnel vision of, hey, this is recommended for you. Just watch it real quick. And you watch one video and suddenly you watch three. And even if you just watch three, that seeps into your mind that you are being controlled by an algorithm. You can be targeted, and it doesn't feel good. So I want to avoid that. And blocking the apps obviously doesn't work because I need to use these platforms to post to them, to promote my app, to run my business, and to help other people get off of them. So I made this. It's called PostBridge. Now, the whole point of PostBridge here is to allow you to post your content from one place without any distraction at all and post it to every place basically in one go. I'll show you how it works. Basically, you have a video that you want to upload to all of your social medias, and it's something like this, maybe. And you can pick a cover image, which I just added. You can set it, and you can put all of the platforms you want to post it to in one go. You can write a caption, schedule that post, or just post it right away, and boom. Suddenly, you haven't had to go and avoid temptation on these apps. You don't have to be mentally overwhelmed with switching between 10 different platforms. This has saved me a lot of time and brain rot. And I'm trying to cure brain rot. So this is my second effort to cure brain rot. I have my first one, which is Curiosity Quench. That helps a lot of people, but I think there is also a lot of people who need to use social media to build their business, to grow their content. And I get it's kind of counterintuitive. We're trying to avoid getting off of social media or posting to social media. Well, there's still going to be millions of people on social media. That's how people reach and get eyeballs. That's where everyone is. They don't pay attention to the ads on the television because they're on their phones during the ads on the television. And yeah, so they go to social media. And that's what I've been working on for the last 3 weeks. Basically, I built a mini social media scheduler. You can see I've been using it. I have all these posted. Here's our scheduled post. We can edit it. And this is what I've been working on. You can try it for free yourself. Go try it. It's post-bridge.com. And also, I made a little landing page here. This is kind of the idea. Oh my gosh, I'm Casper the Ghost. The idea is that you can scroll less and do more with it. And basically, you can avoid that chaos in your mind when you go and use these platforms because it's a lot of mental work to switch between all of them and then avoid the temptation of falling into checking your notifications real quick, looking at the comments. Suddenly, something that should have taken like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, it took 40 or 50 or an hour. And you had to really put a lot of effort into not making that even more time that you're wasting. So the idea is you have less screen time and more view time or watch time on your content. And that's what I've been building. But honestly, for the most part, I've just been trying to come up with solutions that help myself. Because at first, I didn't know what to do. I was bored. So I found something I was curious about and I took action on it. Oh my gosh. And that is where I landed on Curiosity Quench, the app that you saw at first that helps you find a topic over 1,000 different topics, get a plan to do it, and do it with curated content. That's the first step, getting out of boredom. And the second step, for me, because of where I fell, making videos, making content, growing a business, was to still use social media, but be able to access its tools and advantages in a way that keeps me off of rotting my brain. So that's why I made PostBridge, and that's why I made Curiosity Quench. They're both for the same reason, to reduce and cure my brain rot, to keep it down to a minimal, but that's why they exist. And I wanted to share the other thing I've been working on for the last 3 weeks now, because I haven't been spending as much time working on Curiosity Quench because of this. So I thought it's fitting, it's fair to share that here. Yeah, it is just a social media scheduler, but I built it with the intent of saving me brain rot. So maybe it can help you too if you're watching this video. Anyways, that's really it for today. Go touch some grass, go have fun, do the things you enjoy, and lead the life that you want to live. If you don't know what you want out of life, then try some stuff and try to figure that out. I love you. Take care. And I'll see you guys when I see you. Goodbye. Links down below. Peace.